Today I want to walk you through some changes that have taken place when it comes to wireless networking. But first, let's discuss what a wireless network is and how it works. You have your internet service provider sending you the internet through a pipeline. It could be DSL or it could be from a cable. Ultimately, it comes into your home and that connects to a modem. That modem is what gives your computer the internet connection. Now, since you have more than one device that you want to use the internet, you're going to need a router. Routers split and share the internet signal to multiple devices. And nowadays, for the home market, routers are pretty much all wireless. That wireless router takes the signal from the modem, converts it to radio waves, and transmits it through the antennas. It's kind of like your cell phone. Now, a device like a laptop or a tablet that is also wireless will grab that radio signal and convert that back into computer language. So what does that actually mean, and how does that help you and your customers? Well, the better the router, that means the better the speed of the wireless transmission and the further it can travel. Today's users have changed as compared to even a few years ago. Now we have different types of internet users. We have heavy usage, someone who's streaming HD movies and gaming. Medium usage, streaming movies and downloading music. Light usage, web surfing, email, and social media. Which category do you fit into? Where does your customer fit? Now, they're probably going to be different, potentially. Now, depending on the category or what they're trying to do, that'll determine what type of router you should sell them. We want to make sure we get the right router for our customers. Now, non-AC wireless technology, like Wireless N, really wasn't designed to handle streaming devices or gaming. It can, but not very effectively. You'll see buffering or really bad lag, probably like what you have in your home right now, unless you've already upgraded to AC. There are now 4 generations of Wi-Fi protocols today. AC is the latest technology and has replaced GNN. A majority of devices shipping today are already AC wireless. For your customers to be able to take advantage of that, they will need an AC router in their home. The new AC technology offers 2 different waves or channels, a 5 GHz channel and a 2.4 GHz channel. The Wi-Fi from a router is a wave. The bigger the wave, the more data it can carry, but it will travel at a shorter distance. That's like the new 5 GHz channel. It's designed to carry HD movies and gaming data because it's a bigger wave and it could hold more data. The 2.4 GHz channel is a shorter wave, but it can travel a little bit further. It's good for things like email, web surfing, or things like social media. But both of these waves or bands are available in the new wireless AC networking products that you currently carry. Having those 2 channels is called dual band, and it's really important for the way we use the internet today. We put our high bandwidth devices or applications on the 5 GHz band and our other devices on the 2.4 GHz band. The 5 GHz channel has a bigger lane and is ideal for streaming and for gaming. When you look at a router, the packaging will tell you the speed. For example, if you see AC 1900, that means it's an AC router that can handle up to 1900 megabits per second total speed. The faster the router, the further the signal can travel. It's like a car traveling at 100 miles per hour. If you take your foot off the gas, how far is it going to travel? Now, if we have that car going 300 miles per hour and take our foot off the gas, will it travel further? Well, yes, you're right, it will. Now add obstacles in the path of that car, a brick wall, drywall, things like that. If a car hits it, it's going to slow down. That's the same thing that's happening to your wireless signal. Once it hits that obstacle, the signal starts to slow down. So the faster we start from the router side, the better chances it has of getting to the devices you want to connect to. But bottom line is if they're streaming, if they're gaming, again, focus on the AC technology. Now there's a lot of additional features in the Linksys line of routers. Things like smart Wi-Fi, make sure you look for that. Gigabit, Ethernet ports, you have USB, you have eSATA ports. So feel free to grab a router from the shelf, take a look at it, Look at the packaging. It'll explain what all the features are. What features do you want? What features do you need? The odds are your customers are going to have the same needs and they're going to have the same demands. It's going to be a lot easier for you to be able to relate to your customers. I appreciate the time and I look forward to seeing you soon.